So today, we're going to be discussing the OM, or as it's also known, the Mantra Ohm token. Actually, there was a video about it, and its price is currently around $4.57. And to be perfectly clear, you can see that right here. The May.A2W token is positioned to favor 2025. And while analyzing this opportunity, it really seems to me that the OM, well, it's going to go significantly higher than that. And today, I'm going to take the time to analyze it. And then, after careful consideration, after checking out a variety of other charts on different time frames, I'll tell you exactly where I believe it's headed. So let's jump straight into the OM. And as you're already aware, we were right here during the previous video update. These are 4-hour candlesticks. In fact, we were even positioned here, precisely on the support level identified by the Crypto-Quebec indicator. We witnessed a very nice green win. And honestly, just take a look at the absolutely massive pump that's occurred within the last 24 hours. Actually, it's not even been 24 hours, considering these are 4-hour candles. We're talking about a staggering 33% increase for the OM. The target that I had initially mentioned, if you recall from the video, I believe I suggested a target of approximately 65% for the OM. That's rather forgettable now, as it's gone much, much higher than that. It's achieved a 62% gain for the OM. So today, I'm going to break it all down, and I'll tell you, in my professional opinion, precisely where I see it heading. But let's forget about the $8 target for a moment. We were at $4.58, and believe me, much more than that is going to unfold for the OM. All right, let's dive into the OM. Before we proceed any further, and before I disclose what I believe its future trajectory will be, I really must invite you to take a look at the indicator that's right here before us. Just observe the indicator. We push.
And at the $10 mark, we're going to witness the exact same behavior as we did at the $5 mark. It's going to dump. So you take your well-deserved gains. You observe our previous position. It was a better entry, admittedly, but you absolutely must conduct your own research. So what are the revised objectives for the OM? Following this reassessment, as you know, I initially entered this token alongside all of you. It was a long-term play. And ultimately, the OM delivered an impressive 118% return. So it's officially the #2 performing token for the month of February. So you can clearly see that I am perfectly capable of revisiting my initial decisions and reassessing my initial thoughts. And the reason for this is simple. New information is constantly emerging. When fresh information becomes available, it necessitates new, updated decisions. So the $10 target is indeed a realistic possibility for the Mantra ticker OM. If you've only got one chance to watch this video, I strongly urge you to subscribe to the channel. I consistently produce videos covering all the various trades that I personally take. And as you can clearly observe, the individuals who are accompanying me are achieving tangible results. So I sincerely hope you found this update to be valuable, and I want to express my sincere gratitude. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon.